Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul PJ party. Now last week I did not film a haul because if you can hear it in my voice, I'm pretty sick. And I wasn't going to film one today because I sound like this, but I figured with this weather change everywhere, some of you are probably really sick as well. So we could just hang out together, share our germs, share our woes, have some tea. By the way, if you haven't tried Starbucks passion tea, the one that you buy in stores, you have to. You just squeeze a little lemon and whatever you like to sweeten with, and it tastes just like the Starbucks one. So today I'm going to show you all of the stuff that I bought before I got terribly sick. I still have been putting DIY videos out because those I pre-film way in advance, and I don't sound like this. So yeah, today we are wearing Chewbacca PJs. I hope you like them. And let's go ahead and get started. So as some of you may know, I have been organizing my entire house. I started with my closet and I've been doing some things. Some things I have filmed, some things I haven't. And this week I found these little organizing baskets. I really wish that they were clear, but in this color it's really nice anyway. It's like kind of like a frosted color. So these are 3-piece organizers and they're nice and small, so this would be perfect to house like scrunchies or hair clips or anything like that. Then I found a bigger one. These come 2 to a pack, and I think this would be perfect for drawers in your kitchen to organize random things, or even in your same drawer to put bigger items like brushes and stuff like that. These are perfect. And they had larger ones. Now these are just single ones, so it's $1 each. I still think it's totally worth it. They are nice and deep and pretty long, so for utensils this would be perfect. Like I said, I really wish that they were clear, but that is a preference thing. They do have some of these organizers that look like mesh and they come in brown and green. I haven't seen them this small and this thin, but it all depends on what you're using it for. Organizers are organizers, and that's one of the things that Dollar Tree has that beats any other store. However, I will say this. The only thing that I would say about the Dollar Tree ones is that they are always tapered. Like, they're not perfectly straight. So you're missing out on storage space because when you put them up against each other, there's always a little gap. And in that gap, that's something that you could easily store tiny things in. So that's the only thing that I have against Dollar Tree organizers. I wish they were just perfectly square instead of tapered. My daughter is having a little Valentine's exchange at her school, so I found the most adorable Paw Patrol Valentine candy and card kit. So this already brings the candy. You just kind of have to put it together and write the names in. They also have the ones that don't bring the candy at all if you want to make something custom or you just want to do the cards. I know kids get a ton of candy on Valentine's Day, and sometimes you want to do a healthier option. So I bought this. This brings 12 cards and pops, which is perfect. Includes teacher card. I didn't even see that before. That's so sweet. She has like 4 teachers in her class, so that's not going to be enough, but either way, really thoughtful. In that same situation, I found these little Paw Patrol gummy friend exchanges. So I've already opened them because I have a really bad sweet tooth, and these are just these little single packets, and it brings 3 gummies, which are pretty yummy. And you can put this into a little baggie. So I was going to do the pops and then in a little baggie add extra candy. I know kids already get a lot of candy. I already just stated that, but I just thought, why not? So I got this one with Paw Patrol. Oh, this is the open pack. So this is what they look like. I also purchased the Starburst, which as you can see is open because my bad. So I just had the Starburst. My plan was to put them all together and make one little pouch. And for the pouch, I found these 40-piece treat bags. They have different colors and different styles that all have hearts on them. So if you were having a party later on, or if you're having a bridal shower, this would definitely fit certain themes. I think they're really, really cute. The good thing about Valentine's Day is that you can buy certain things and use them later on for wedding stuff. So even though some people don't decorate for Valentine's Day, it is the perfect time to get wedding things. And 40 bags for $1 is not bad at all. So I'm gonna take all the candy that I haven't eaten and put it together and then staple the little card and pop on the outside. I think that would look so cute. Maybe not staple because they are 3-year-olds and I don't want them to get cut, but maybe I'll just like tie it around. This I thought was just adorable. It's a little heart that says, "Let's flamingle." I'm not a big fan of the Dollar Tree chocolates or any chocolates that are sold in these little boxes. I always think that they taste like a foot. I've never tasted a foot, but I'd imagine they taste like these chocolates. But I actually bought this for a friend of mine who just moved back home to Miami, and every time she sees a flamingo, it reminds her that she made like the right choice to move there. I thought it was a really cute analogy, and I'm putting a little gift together for her because her birthday just passed. So I'm just including this in there as her little flamingo to remind her that she definitely did make the right choice. So these are super cute. I was really happy to see that even after Christmas being over, they have peppermint stuff. So I found these pretzel crisps. I love peppermint stuff, and I especially love that not everyone loves peppermint stuff because it's the only candy or sweet stuff I can have in my house that everyone isn't immediately trying to eat when I'm not watching. So I was really happy to see this. I haven't tried it. I hope it is delicious. If you've tried it before, let me know in the comments below, but really happy. And this seems to have a lot per bag. Whew. Okay, Chewbacca is getting like really hot, so yeah. I love when they have these little canisters out, or watering cans, watering cans. I think they're so beautiful. They're a nice size. I think this would make a really, really cute vase. If you spray paint it, it would make a really great centerpiece for a farmhouse wedding or get together or just regular decor. Right now, I think it's really, really nice to have simple things. Farmhouse is really in. I know a lot of people are tired of it, but I think the reason people love it so much is because stuff that you normally wouldn't use for a nice event, you can. You can use stuff like cans that are left over or mason jars and have a really beautiful event. So that's kind of why I love it. It is totally budget friendly if you can DIY your own stuff, and I think this would make a perfect centerpiece. So maybe I might make it into a centerpiece. I'm not exactly sure. I recently grabbed my greenery that I bought at Michael's and just put it in there, and I think that looks great. So I might even pick some of these up now so that next Christmas I can display this, because I think that you can use this all year round. Okay, so the next item is a little bit controversial, and the reason I see that is because these are items that you would normally buy on Etsy. There are a lot of Etsy crafters and Cricut users that make these and sell these, and now that Dollar Tree is selling them, I'm not gonna say it's gonna put them out of business because obviously the quality is different, but I always sort of feel bad when stores like Dollar Tree or even Michael's take something that is pretty homemade and kind of sells it a lot cheaper, because it does make it harder for people that have their own business. But for a while they have been putting these little things out that say "just beat it" and stuff like that. And the first ones that they put out were kind of tacky. Some of them were cute, but mainly they were tacky. But now they're getting even better at them. So I found Just Beat It. I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry, which is me all day, every day. I am such a little witch. When I'm hungry or when I'm tired, I am literally a 3-year-old. And then I also purchased Roll with Love. So these are super cute. I didn't really plan on using them in my kitchen. I bought them for Aria and her little kitchen, which is kind of why I purchased them. I would never really spend $15 to put something in a play kitchen, but for the most part I do kind of feel a little bad But at the same time, a lot of Etsy sellers do bump up the price a whole lot. But I'm not an Etsy seller, so I don't know why that goes on. I don't know if it's because Etsy takes a really large percentage or if it really does cost a ton of money to put these things together. So yeah, that's why I say these are a little bit controversial, but it's inevitable. Stores do it all the time. I found these silicone sponges at Dollar Tree and they bring 2 to a pack. It's a little strange because they kind of have the beauty blender shape and then have an indentation, so I don't really know how this would be convenient at all. Although I guess they have the indentation there so that you can put your finger and hold it like a beauty blender and be able to pounce it around. These were kind of pricey before. Actually, not really. They were like about $6. So for $1, if you know somebody that does use silicone sponges, this is a great gift option. I've never tried silicone sponges. I'm more of a blurring brush person when I do foundation because I do really liquidy foundations. But maybe for concealer this would be really good. I might try it out because I don't like doing concealer with a brush most of the time. Then I found these dryer balls, and they also do come in blue, although I really don't care what color they come in as long as they do their job. It's supposed to help you keep everything from wrinkling and reduce drying time. So I see a lot of people do these clean with me videos and they're always mentioning how they do a load per day. Now back in my day, if I were to ever tell my mom that I do a load of laundry per day, she would kill me and she would bitch about the electricity bill. It is what it is. So I don't do a load per day. I do a load every other day or whenever I can get the basket full enough to justify washing. I know it takes a little bit more time and effort, but it does save you a ton of money. Trust me, I tried the whole laundry per day and that month alone I went up 80 bucks in my electricity, and that's a lot. So I bought this to help out with drying time. A lot of times when you're doing stuff like towels or like bulky jeans, sweaters, it takes a really long time to get them dry, and they also end up really wrinkly if you forget that you're even drying. And these do work. I've tried the wool ones and they work perfectly. So I really hope that these work just as well, even though I'm pretty sure that they do. By the way, before I go, because I know somebody's gonna ask, this is a Dollar Tree tumbler, which I purchased last year around spring, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring out similar patterns, so be on the lookout. This is one of my favorite tumblers. I love drinking tea with straws so that they don't stain my teeth. And this is actually hot tea that I have in there. It's not piping hot, so I'm not burning my hands. But look how freaking adorable this is. It has little parrots and flamingos, super cute. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed my PJ party this week. Hopefully next week I'm feeling a whole lot better and I don't sound so nasally and annoying. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video.